Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, man. And what I've got right now is from Peru. This is Ajinomoto's Aji-no-men Gallina. So basically it's chicken ramen. And here it is. So it comes with a sachet and a noodle block. Noodle block goes in. Noodle block cooks for 3 minutes. Unicorn likes to jump and run. Unicorn likes to play fun fairy games. It's a book I've got for my daughter. Squishy Squashy Unicorn. I highly recommend it. It's a tome of truths. See, talk garbage. In this day and age with the coronavirus epidemic and everything, why don't I just get wonderful 100% winner tickets? Instant win a donut or bagel. I don't eat donuts. God, I love bagels too much, though. 10 donuts, 10 bagels. Instant winner. Ooh. I want a can of vegetables. But I don't know what kind of vegetables I'm going to get. But I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to get a can of vegetables. That I will use. Maybe I'll get some succotash and add it to my soup. 50 cents, yeah. And the last ticket. And we're almost out of... Yeah, nothing. So, how you guys doing? Today is the apocalypse. It's fun. I'm wearing my apocalypse fan shirt. You know? It's like a metalocalypse, but with a flu. So, today is March 26th, and I've had this funk lately. I've had like this pain right here, and it's been driving me nuts. So I went to the walk-in clinic about a month ago, and they said, you're full of crap, like literally. So I was like pounding tons and tons of like stuff to make you poop, and it didn't really seem to do much of anything. I'm like, maybe I should try that again. So I went full bore this week, man. And I'm like, it's still not doing nothing. So I go to see my regular doctor. Awesome guy. And he's like, hey, you need to like do that for a month. I'm like, you really think I'm that full of crap, man? He's like, oh yeah. And yeah, so... And then my leg looked all like discolored and funky. I'm like, oh man, am I walking so much it's gonna fall off? And he's like, no, you got like a skin condition. You just go get this stuff at the pharmacy and put it on and you'll be fine. I'm like, sweet! So poop and lotion. That's not bad. But I haven't lost any more weight. But I'm still, if you look at one of my old videos, you'd be like, there's no way you got those numbers, buddy. No way. The old ones? No. He's like, that's still overweight, but compared to 365, that's like a heck of a lot better. Look at that, 99% oxygen. I'm gonna like strive for 100, dude. And yeah. And I'm exactly 6 feet tall. Oh no, she said I might be like 6¼ feet, or like, yeah, or a quarter inch taller, but yeah, I'm pretty stoked. So I gotta go to the pharmacy and get like lotion. It puts the lotion in the basket. It always does what it is. Ow, told. I'll put some lotion in the basket. What's on your list today? You'll find it at your grocery store. You know, your grocer is really working hard right now. But did you know that truckers are really, really irritated? I found a Facebook video, or rather, it found me, and I don't know why it did, but had an angry trucker guy going, see this line? See this line? You guys are getting these groceries, and usually people think we're scumbags and just trying to get around us, but now you think we're heroes. And blah, 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 blah. It's like, whoa, Grizzly Adams, calm down, calm down. Most people aren't appreciated enough for their jobs, okay? There are people in all sorts of walks of life doing all sorts of different jobs, and most of them, you know what they get for their appreciation? A paycheck, and that's it. And if it's like network administrators, if you're a network admin and you're doing your job, nobody's ever going to say thank you. Nobody's going to ever say anything nice to you. However, if something goes wrong, oh dude, get ready. Lean into it because it's a coming. That's what one of my teachers told me a long time ago. It's like, dude, you don't want to get into being a network administrator. You really don't. I thought, yeah, you're probably right. I mean, I never wanted a job that meant that just people were going to go like lavish me with attention and be like, oh, dude, you're so great. You're so wonderful. I mean, that's what I ended up with, honestly. Do you realize people are constantly telling me, dude, what you do is so great, and I love your videos and all this stuff. It's like, that's not what I'm looking for. I just do this because I like to do it. And I really appreciate that people really like it, but it's weird. I don't do well with compliments like that. I just feel, it makes me feel self-conscious. Like, no, these people are like they're like messing with me. I don't like that. But, you know, whatever. I'm appreciative, and I thank you for all your nice, kind words. Because all you people are gold. Golden wonder people. Ah, come on. Let's get this bowl centered. I wish there was a way to figure out how to get this bowl just automatically centered. That's pretty good. I'm gonna add this. It's basically, it looks like it's a chicken noodle with a little bit of black pepper in it. I don't know if you can even see that. Let's try that. Okay. But there's a little bit of, see little black flecks in there? I'm pretty sure that's like pepper. There you go. See that? There's such a little amount of it. I don't know, personally, I don't know what's going on there. It's not bad. That's a decent noodle. I like that. But I don't know what that is. But you know what I should do is I should try the noodles themselves. So my buddy Matt, he's a good guy, but sometimes he fails, he omits really pertinent information. So he's got a router that's not working right. At least that's what it seems like. He had people come out to fix it or check his internet connection or whatever. I'm like, so what did they say? Well, they couldn't put the thing on it because of blah, blah, blah. Oh. Well, they metered it. Well, they metered it. Great. What did they say? Does that mean it's your router? Just like... I think pretty much he knows that his router is screwed up, but he's still trying to fix it. And it's like, no. You're just gonna have to live in COVID City with no internet, which is hateful, I know, but okay. All right, come on. There you go. Now there's an egg, folks. There's a beauty egg. Hello, little beauty egg. And since it's chicken, I made chicken just for this occasion. Some serious chicken. And then there's some spring onion. Kind of sucks because I just got mung bean sprouts yesterday in a panic, and it's like I don't really need them today. But this is pretty much it, right there. Well, I might try to sidle this over here a little bit more. Maybe in the next thing I do here, I'll get my buddy Matt on the phone. And, you know. There we go. You ready for some rotato time? I certainly hope you are. There we go. Oops. All right, well, you know, that's what we got here. It's pretty good. And yeah, it's been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. And yeah, I'm out. Bye.
Todo era bonito cuando lo hacían contigo. Ahora te pido amor como si fuera un mendigo. Y para ser bien claro, que les pidan a Cupido y te traigan pica pica pa' tus supuestos amigos. Como quieras, y si quieres lo hacemos a tu manera. Y solitico nos dañamos el corazón. Duele bien cabrón, pero no importa, ya no vale la